Hello everyone and welcome back to Pittsburgh Vader. This video is going to be a little bit different than the other ones. I'm not going to stop periodically throughout the video and show you guys what I'm doing. I'm just going to do a time lapse straight through and just show you visually instead of explaining it, and then at the end I'll walk around and just tell you what I did but not really show you exactly how I did all of it. Just because since all these kits are no longer available, there's really no need for a long explanation of how I'm doing everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna get back to work here.
I could get through to you, don't know what I'd do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, so just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, so just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my, who's making the rules I abuse? I'm confused enough. Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through? Got me in a dark place if you couldn't tell. I know we want the same things but the lines we've drawn are heaven and hell. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my, running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my.
So I got this side little vent piece in here. It's bolted in and I painted it already, so that's basically what it's going to look like. I have the front clip, the headlights in, hood just temporarily sat on here, and that's all pretty much lined up where it needs to be. I have the front lip, you saw me bolt that in. So you guys did see me use spray can primer for this area here. I also use that on a lot of the back half of the car. That's just letting me see a lot of the imperfections, and that actually let me see that big air pocket here that needed to come out. So that's helping me see a lot of that. This is going to get sanded down, and then I'll be using this stuff. It's U-Pull High Build Primer. It's basically just a polyester filler primer that will help build up, and I can sand that down, hide a lot of those little imperfections and stuff. So this is the primer I'm going to be using after everything's done. I got all the body work done. So this stuff is going to be the last step before I actually plasti dip the car. And I've settled on plasti dip. I actually ordered 2 different colors. So this is just part of the plasti dip I got. I have probably 2 more boxes of this stuff. And this right here is just the base coat layers. These are just the grays. Actually, this one isn't. This one's actually a top coat. I'm going to be spraying it the shark skin gray, which is their closest to the Nardo, first, and leave it on there for a little while, see if I like it. And then if I don't, I'll be trying, I got a blue as well, so I'll be trying that. And if I don't like either of those, then I can keep trying different colors. But the reason I'm doing this is mainly because I've been back and forth the entire time I've been building this, and I really haven't picked a color that I definitely like, and it's hard to find options for this car since there aren't a ton out there. So I'm just going to try a bunch of them, figure out what I like, and then after I find the color that I want to settle with, I might paint it depending on how the plasti dip looks and holds up. On the dash, I removed the foam that I originally had on there. I'm going to be going a different method. You'll see that soon. I also filled in this hole where I had the original vent holes. I'm going with bigger vents and moving them over a little bit. I also made this little piece that goes in here. This is going to be the insert. I still have to finish trimming it down, but there's going to be foam and then leather on top of this. So that's just going to be a little insert there, a little bit different. Now, I don't have the dash in there now, but I have been working on getting everything to line up in there and figuring out exactly where the dash needs to go. And once I figure that out and have all the mounting locations set and ready to have the dash installed, I found a local company out in Pittsburgh that actually will come and install the Chrysler Sebring windshield for me. So once I figure out exactly how that dash is going in, I'll call them up, they'll come and install it. I think the quote was $330, so that's not bad at all. They'll come install the entire windshield for me, and I won't have to deal with any of that. And it's a brand new windshield, so I won't have to deal with any defects from a used windshield that I'd find at a junkyard. And that's roughly how it'll look with the little side window just taped in there roughly. That'll get permanently bonded in there after I cut out the hole for the interior window and everything. We've had some pretty bad weather here the last couple weeks in Pittsburgh, and it looks like it's going to continue to be raining pretty much every day for as far as the forecast is showing. So I'm going to try to set up the windshield install for the next nice day we have. So hopefully that'll be in the next video, but if not, I'll just try to keep you guys updated. And that's going to end this video. So as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.